Alright people, it's been a while, I'm back. Before I get started, I just want to say, why did no one click the last video? I put like 20 minutes into editing that video. But yeah, if you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're coming back to the channel, also welcome. It's not an exclusive club. If you feel like subscribing, please do so. And yeah, today's video, it's going to be a quick POV. And we're in the M140i, as you can tell by the title and probably the thumbnail. And I've got some plans. I've finally bought some mods for this car. Finally, I'm going to do it. I'm finally going to do it. So first thing first, I've had this car for about 6 months now. Absolutely loved it. It's cost me a fortune in petrol, not gonna lie, that ain't cheap, but you know, it is what it is. So I've had the car 6 months. It's been pretty much stock except for the rear diffuser, which I'll put a picture up now, before and after. That thing had to go, the stock diffuser. That was the ugliest part of the car, obviously the part where they cheaped out the most when making this car. And then because of the big fat diffuser, I bought some exhaust tips as well, just because the diffuser is so aggressive and so large and, you know, aggressive and big. The normal tips that come with the car, they're just hidden. So I was like, nah, we need to get something to go with them. So I got the M Performance tips, but I turned them upside down. I don't actually like the M logo sticking on the top because, I don't know, it's just too many M's, M everywhere. Like, alright, we get it. But yeah, so speaking of exhausts, I've finally gone and done it. I've finally gone and booked myself in for a double res delete. So this car is a 2018, but technically 2019. It's a 68 plate. Looking out, it is roasting in here. So it's a 68 plate, which means by EU regulations and all the people in charge making the world a better place, even though they're not doing a very good job of it. They by law, you have to have a PPF, GPF, OPF, EPF, PPF filter, which is a particle filter. It's my second home, that is. It's basically a particle filter which supposedly helps with emissions and making it basically makes the car quieter because of it. It's like a big box in the exhaust manifold, and I'm gonna get that deleted and it's gonna get replaced with just a straight pipe. And this car also has another resonator, which is like a silencer. It's like a thicker piece of steel or aluminium or whatever it's made of, and that also makes the car quieter. So essentially this car is on quiet mode at the minute. It's in ASBO mode, so in a minute you might be able to hear the pops and bangs. Nah, too windy. But yeah, so essentially it makes the car louder when you get them deleted. So that is going to get done. I'm getting that done at Cobra. They're supplying and fitting the exhaust with the double res delete. So I'm going to head down to Sheffield and I'll probably make a video on that too, like a before and after, how it gets fitted, all that stuff. And yeah, so that's exciting. One of the reasons I'm getting that done is because everything's going quiet, everything's going electric. There's not going to be no noise soon. There's, you know, why not make the most of this 3 litre lump that's under the bonnet, and let's hear it. So that's getting done in a month's time. So expect a video coming in about a month's time from today, or whenever I make it. And then I've also ordered lowering springs and spacers. So essentially, one of the main things that I dislike about this car at the moment, and it's a minor thing, you could definitely live without it, but it's the wheel arch gaps on this car. Oh my yeah, he's gonna get stuck behind a lorry. So it's the wheel arch gap. Now, you get these cars that are slammed, they're on bags, but that costs like 3 or 4 grand. And I ain't willing to pay that just so my car can go up and down like that. Like, I'm not that bothered. I do think it's cool, and I know a couple of people that do have it done to their cars, and I think it looks sick. But, oh, Stone Chips, bastard. I gotta stay away from this guy. At least it was caught on camera if I ever make a claim on it. But, as I was saying, I'm not prepared to spend, like, probably 4 grand to get this on bags, which is air suspension. So we're gonna pass on that. There are coilovers, but again, you're looking like 2 grand, and it would be a better handling car. It would be more comfortable, and obviously you got the adjustment with the coilovers. But I thought, you know what, I'm never gonna, probably hardly ever gonna track this. I just want it lower, and so I've gone for the H&R lowering springs, and I think they're Bimek. I think that's the name of the brand, Bimek spacers, which are to make the wheels stick out like an inch or 2 more, so they're in line with the body panels instead of being hidden by the wheel arch, if you will. So that's getting done soon. I just need to find somewhere to fit them, because, you know, I'm not impractical, but I don't really know what I'm doing when it comes to cars. I'm new to this whole car thing. I drove a Vauxhall Corsa 1.2 for 3 years, and I didn't do a single thing to that except get someone to fit a radio in there. That was it. That's all I did. So I don't know much about cars, and I'm not about to start pretending that I know what I'm doing on a 25 grand car, which I could mess up. I ain't doing that, so I'm just gonna pay someone to do it. And yeah, so that is the current plan on the what I'm gonna do, what I'm gonna start doing to this car. Yeah, I'm finally gonna do it. As for right now though, I don't know if you can see, probably in the rear view mirror, I'm out with Georgia. It's it was a nice day. It's red hot. It's like 20 degrees right now, which is roasting for the UK. So we're heading out. We're having a quick drive up to Matlock. We're gonna have a bit of a walk round. I might show you around the cars in this video. That might not, I don't know, we'll see. But as for this video, that's pretty much all I gotta say. I'm finally gonna start doing stuff to this car. So we're gonna send it to space within the next coming 6 months. And by send it to space, I mean moderately do some mods to it. Let's overtake this. That was, of course, legal. I don't need to see the speedo on that one. But yeah, that's gonna wrap it up for this video. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you look forward as much as I am to the modifications coming. I'll keep you informed. I'll let you know when it's happening. Follow my Instagram to see when it gets done. You'll see pictures on my Instagram before you do see a video. So if you want to follow on Instagram, it's at SamPotter140. Post pictures of my car, post pictures of just my car, basically, yeah. But yeah, that's all I got to say. If you like this video, if you like these POVs, let me know. If you liked it that much that you want to make my day, hit subscribe, drop me a comment, let me know what you liked about it, let me know what you didn't like about it, let me know what you want to see. And that's going to wrap it up for this one. So we'll catch you in the next one, which will probably be, if not another POV of me talking shit, it'll be when I get my car done and when the mods begin. So we will see you in the next one. Peace.